Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Amazon over-ear headphones and I'm going to show you top tricks of these headphones. So, at first the best top trick for me is that these headphones have ANC. To enable this ANC we just have to pull our switch that is located over here to the top. Now it's enabled. The second top trick is to enable talk-through mode. To enable talk-through mode, we can just pull our switch into the middle, as it's now, or double tap our touch panel. The third best trick is that turning them off is that easy. We have to just do something like that. Now they are turned off. That's it. I hope it helps you. Goodbye.